Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin on a wired laptop. This reduces risk while you change settings. Once connected, log into the router using its admin account. If you only have a default password, change it now. Make sure to record the current firmware version and router model because you'll need them to check updates. Also snapshot or list connected device MAC addresses so you can verify them later. This sets a secure baseline and prevents being locked out during the following steps. Now you update the firmware and change wireless settings. This protects against known exploits. First, apply the vendor firmware update and reboot the router. Do not interrupt the process. Next, rename the SSID to something non-identifying and set a strong passphrase using WPA3 if available, otherwise WPA2AES. Longer passphrases are exponentially harder to crack. Then disable WPS and UPnP. Turn off remote admin access and confirm the router firewall is enabled. These steps reduce attack surfaces and control device access immediately. Finish by segmenting your network. Put guests and EOT devices on separate networks or VLAN to limit lateral movement. Once done, create a distinct admin account, enable multi-factor authentication where supported, and export a router configuration backup to secure storage. Schedule periodic firmware checks and review connected devices monthly. If something breaks after changes, make sure to try restoring your saved backup first. If that fails, perform a factory reset and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.